Nowadays, it's difficult to deny the value of social media and its marketing potential. Many businesses have quickly made it their number one source of free website traffic. More than likely, you already have at least one social media account that you use regularly. Places like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn have literally millions of daily active users. Now imagine getting a brief mention on social media by an influencer and receiving a flood of traffic and sales. It is quite possible if you tap into this traffic by implementing the following steps right away. Add a business profile at Facebook and as many other social media platforms as you can. Add links to your website and to your online store, if you have one. Make sure each profile contains your contact details and the same branding across each social profile. Add as many testimonials and product reviews as you can, as social proof that your solutions are effective. Join a new Facebook group in your niche every week or two. Make use of Instagram stories or regular Facebook updates to show off your brand. Like at least one post and send a friend request to someone in your niche every day. Contact those friends occasionally and ask how you can co-promote your businesses. Social media can be intimidating, but with daily use you'll find the best ways to make it work for your business.